Now I'm going to take you for another ride back in time. It's getting to be a regular theme on this side.
Getting to the places where I did not exist.
Right. I handed this to him, and he didn't know what this was. Now, to be honest with you, I didn't see one when I was around. I knew they existed. I don't remember seeing one. What this is, you can stick this in to your 8-track player. You have to know what an 8-track player is. And you can play your cassette in the old 8-track player. And you might not know what a cassette is. Cassettes were replaced by the CD. So back in the day, when you still had your 8-track player under the dash usually, sometimes in the dash, you could play your new cassette, even though you didn't have a cassette player in that car or even your home. So this would be something that you don't see very often. A cassette player adapter to 8-track. Playfulness because it actually is for playing cassettes.
8-track was the thing Star Wars.
Yeah, yeah. All the music came from that time period.
I'm learning.
Like Star